In this lesson, we're turning this reference photo into a pencil portrait, but I do not want you to only watch the drawing. I want you to understand how the portrait is built. We will start with the big head shape, place the features lightly, fix the awkward stage, and then slowly build the eyes, hair, scarf, and shadows. If your drawing looks strange in the beginning, that is normal. Mine does too. The important thing is not to panic too early. At the beginning, I'm only looking for the big envelope. That means the outside shape of the head, the scarf, and the direction of the face. I'm not trying to draw beautiful eyes yet. I am using very light lines because these first lines are only a map. For beginners, this is important. Do not press hard here. If the structure is wrong, light lines let you move things without destroying the paper. Now I start placing the center line, the brow area, the eye area, the nose, the mouth, and the chin. Notice that I am comparing everything as a relationship. How far are the eyes from the top of the head? How long is the nose compared with the mouth and chin? Portrait likeness does not come from eyelashes first. It comes from spacing, angles, and the big proportions. This is the stage where many beginners want to quit because the face can look wrong and unfinished. But this is not failure. This is the normal ugly stage of a portrait. The job here is to keep checking. If the face feels off, check the head width, the eye angle, the nose base, the mouth line, and the chin before you erase everything. Most mistakes can be corrected if you stay light and keep comparing. Here I'm working around the nose, mouth, and chin. I'm not just drawing the lips as an outline. I'm looking at the mouth as a small form sitting on the face. The corners of the mouth, the shadow under the lower lip, and the turn of the chin all help the face feel three-dimensional. A common beginner mistake is making the lips too dark too early. Keep the mouth soft until the whole face has enough value. Now the eyes and brow area become more important. I am looking for the eye sockets first, not only the eyeballs. The brow casts a soft shadow, the upper eyelid is usually a little stronger, and the lower eyelid should stay lighter. If both eyes do not match perfectly yet, do not panic. Compare their angle, size, and distance from the nose. Fix the big relationship before adding small details. At this point, I start building the shadow family. The shadow beside the nose, under the eyes, around the mouth, and under the chin should connect together quietly. Do not shade randomly. Ask yourself, which areas belong to the light family and which areas belong to the shadow family? This keeps the drawing clean. If everything becomes the same gray, the face will feel flat and dirty. The hair and scarf are not just decoration. They control the outside shape of the portrait. I'm grouping the hair into bigger dark and light masses first. I'm not drawing every single strand. For beginners, this is a big point. Hair becomes believable when the big shape works. After that, a few selected strands can explain the direction and texture. Now I can start making some accents darker, especially around the eyebrows, upper eyelids, pupils, nostrils, and selected corners of the mouth. These dark accents are powerful, so use them carefully. If everything is dark, nothing is important. The goal is to lead the viewer's eye to the face, especially the eyes, while keeping the cheeks and forehead softer. Here I'm adjusting edges. Some edges need to be clear, like the upper eyelid, the nostril, and parts of the hair. Other edges should stay soft, like the cheek, forehead, and chin transitions. A realistic portrait is not made by outlining everything. It is made by choosing where to be sharp and where to let the form breathe. final pass, I'm not trying to restart the drawing. I'm only strengthening what is already working. I check the head shape, the eyes, the nose, the mouth, the chin, and the scarf one more time. This is also where you should slow down mentally. Do not keep adding lines just because you are nervous. Add only what helps the portrait become clearer. If you followed along to this point, congratulations. You completed a full portrait sketch study. It does not have to be perfect to be valuable. In this drawing, you practice proportions, structure, values, edges, hair grouping, and patience. That is exactly how portrait drawing improves. Stay with me here, and we will keep building your drawing skills one study at a time. If this helped you, like the video, subscribe, and I will see you in the next portrait lesson.